In this video tutorial, we will show you how to transform data using Power Query and Power BI. Let's get started. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane, and with our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. In this video, we'll discuss transforming data in Power BI. Usually, you don't need to do this if you have a clean database, but what if your data is messy? This often happens when importing data from a web page. We've already covered how to import data from a web page, and you can find the link in the description. Often, Power BI detects that data tables from web pages are incomplete or improperly formatted. This is where the Power Query editor comes in handy for cleaning the data. Here, I'm trying to get data from a website. I connect to the Decathlon webpage to obtain data about new hiking products. In the preview of the table, the data isn't well organized. You can transform your data using Power Query Editor in two ways. The first method is to transform your data before loading it into Power BI. To do this, select the table in the Navigator window and click the Transform Data button. This will open Power Query Editor. If you've already loaded data into Power BI, go to the Home tab and click the Transform Data button. The Power Query Editor will pop up. In Power Query Editor, you'll find many useful tools for editing data. We'll discuss these tools in detail in other tutorials. For now, I'll make a few changes to demonstrate how to clean the data. Before editing, you must clearly understand the transformations needed to get the required data. On the left side of the editor, you can see the Queries pane, where you can expand and see loaded tables. Here, I've loaded two tables. I don't need Table 2, so I'll delete it. Right-click on Table 2 and select Delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion in the additional pop-up by clicking the Delete button. Next, I'll rename Table 1 to Decathlon. To rename it directly, double-click on the query name. Alternatively, right-click and select Rename from the context menu. You can see several columns, but I don't need all of them. I just need these 4 columns, so I'll remove the others. Select the columns you want to remove, then click the Remove Columns button in the Home menu. You can remove individual columns or multiple columns at once. The first column shows the sub-brands of the product. I don't want the word Decathlon before every brand name, so I'll split this column into 2 and remove the one containing Decathlon. Select the first column, go to the Home tab, and click the Split Column button. Choose by delimiter and select Space as the delimiter, then click OK. The column will split wherever there is a space. The column split into 3 because there is 2 spaces between these words. So I am going to undo it. In the Query Settings pane on the right side, you can see all the steps you've previously taken. To revert a step, click the cross mark next to it. I'll undo the last step by clicking the cross mark to undo the splitting. So I'll split the column again. Select the column, click Split Column, and choose by delimiter. This time, use Custom and enter 2 spaces as the delimiter. Then click OK. Remove the unnecessary first column and I'm going to rename the remaining column to Brand. Right-click on it, select Rename from the context menu. Rename the second column to Item. The third column shows the product ratings, but the first 2 products have no rating. I only need products with ratings, so I'll remove these rows. Click the Remove Rows button in the Home tab and select Remove Top Rows. Enter 2 in the pop-up window and click OK. The top 2 rows are removed. Now I need only the digits in the rating column. Select the column, click Split Column, and choose by non-digit to digit from the context menu. I am doing this to show you how these option works. You can choose other option like by delimiter or any other easy one. This splits the rating into separate columns for the whole number and decimal place. That's okay, we are not done yet. Next, I'm going to select this column, and I am going to split this column by digit to non-digit. See these columns? I don't need them, so I am going to remove that column. So here we get first digit of rating and decimal place of the rating. I'll merge these columns back together. Select the columns, go to the Transform menu, and click the Merge Columns button. Leave the separator as None. Name the new column Rating and click OK. You can see you get rating in this new column. Rename the last column to Price. These are some data transformation and cleaning options in Power Query Editor. There's much more to explore, and I hope you understand these first steps. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on MadeEasy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey.